Do you want to achieve a spotless and smooth face, maximize your glow, and boost your confidence and beauty as a woman? Well, get ready to unlock the secrets to timeless facial beauty with our ultimate guide. First, let's start with the basics. Cleanse your face daily with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and excess oil. Pat dry with a soft towel, being careful not to rub or irritate your skin. Next, exfoliate your skin twice a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, glowing complexion. Gently massage a scrub onto your face using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Now, let's talk about hydration. Moisturize your skin every day to keep it nourished and supple. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it in upward motions, focusing on areas prone to dryness. For that extra boost of radiance, incorporate a serum into your skincare routine. Serums are packed with powerful ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin, helping to reduce fine lines and brighten your complexion. Don't forget to protect your face from harmful UV rays and environmental stressors by applying sunscreen daily. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours when exposed to the sun. Now, let's enhance your natural beauty with makeup. Start with a primer to create a smooth canvas for your foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly, blending it seamlessly into your skin. Use a concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Apply it with a light hand and blend carefully for a flawless finish. Set your makeup with a translucent powder to keep it in place all day. To accentuate your features, define your eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil or powder. Fill in any gaps and shape them for a polished look. Apply a neutral eyeshadow to your lids and add a touch of mascara for fluttery lashes. Lastly, complete your look with a pop of color on your lips. Choose a lipstick or lip gloss in a shade that suits your skin tone and apply it with precision. Remember to smile, as confidence is the key to timeless beauty. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can achieve a spotless face, maximum glow, and a boost of confidence that radiates from within. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.